Good morning, students. Today we are going to start English Reader lesson. Vowel sound of A. Sound of vowel A. VAN, van. Van means gadi. What is this? Van. Van means gadi. CAN, can. Can means dibba. Can means dibba. FAN, fan. Fan means pankha. Fan means pankha. MAN, man. Man means आदमी. A sound है. MAN, man. Man means आदमी. PAN, pan. Pan means बर्तन. Pan means बर्तन. JAM, jam. Jam means jam. DAM, dam. Dam means बांध. Dam means बांध. RAM, ram. Ram means भेड़िया. Ram means भेड़िया. BALL, ball. Ball means गेंद. CALL, call. Call means बुलाना. HALL, hall. Hall means hall. WALL, wall. Wall means दीवार. Wall means दीवार. BAND, band. Band means band. Band means band बजाने वाला band. HAND, hand. Hand means हाथ. Hand means हाथ. SAND, sand. Sand means रेत की ढेरी. Sand means रेत की ढेरी.